This three-wheeler car has been made by KEYU company, which has 3 wheels. It is very cute. There is a driver's seat and 2 people can sit at the back with ease. It has a very strong battery installed inside it which lasts for a long time. It is made of 3 wheels and can be driven easily. This is a car made according to today's times, which runs on battery and does not cost any petrol. In the video you have been told the complete specification of the vehicle. If you liked the car video, then if you are new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel.